Hey everyone, welcome back to day 25 of Mastering AutoCAD Electrical. So far, we have learned how to create layers and learned about on and off, freeze and lock, unlock, and mesh layer. Today, we are going one step further by learning about layer states and isolate layer. Two powerful tools used in professional projects to manage your complex drawing efficiently. Now, let's start with layer state. Layer state is a saved configuration of your layer. Uh, it's like it remembers which layers are on and off, frozen or thawed, or locked or unlocked, and even their colors and light line types. Instead of manually adjusting layers every time, you simply restore a saved state. Suppose you want the wires gone, but want only the architectural walls and luminaries. But you have bunch of 20 to 24 layers, and now you have to simply go lock and unlock and or on and off the other 20 layers just to play with only these two layers. So for that you can create a state such as a state where you are going to only work with the walls and the luminaries while the wires are frozen or turned off. Now let's start with creating a layer state. To create a layer state, you have to either use command layer state or LAS, simply LAS layer state, and press enter. Now a layer state manager pops up. First of all, let me go up here in the layer section, and since I want to work with arc and luminaries only, I am going to turn off the layer wiring. So keep the current layer turned off. Now I'll go to the lumen layer. Now I'll go open the layer state LAS and press enter. Now you see the layer state deployed here. Now I'll create new, and the name of the layer state will be arc underscore lumen. When I have to work with architecture and luminaries only, and now I simply press OK, and arc lumen has been created, and I can simply close. Now I'll just turn on the wire layer. Now suppose I have got 50 other layers, but I only have to work with the architecture layer and the luminaries layer, and now I have to individually close all the layers. We only have got the wires layer now except those two, but when you have bunch of layers, you have to manually turn off these layers like this, which is going to be tedious. But uh, another easy way is restoring the layer state. We have already created the layer state consisting of these architectural walls and the luminaries. So to restore the layer state, I can simply again go to LAS, and go to layer state. Our arc lumen layer state is here, and I simply have to click on it and restore. You can see the wires are gone now. Only the uh, luminaries and the architectural wall is present. So uh, that's how you use layer state. It may seem ineffective with only three layers, but suppose you may have around 30 to 40 layers in your professional drawing, and these tools come in handy to fasten your tasks. Now another thing is isolate layer. So sometimes layer isolation is used when you want to focus on just one layer instead of manually turning of other layers. AutoCAD does it automatically. So let's suppose you want to work on your luminaries alone. So for that you want to isolate your luminaries layer, and hide or say lock all other layers. For that, you can use the command isolate layer, that is uh, LAYISO, LAYISO, layer isolation, and simply select the object on the layers to be isolated. Now we want the luminaries layer to be isolated, so I am going to select on the luminaries object like this. And when I press enter, see, all other layer are locked, and you are only going to work with these luminaries. Now this helps you work without distraction. Uh, let's try with some of the default drawing that AutoCAD uh, gives you. Uh, I have a drawing here. Just to show you sample, you can take any drawing. Let's, for example, I'm going to take this drawing. Now let's say here I have this bunch of layers, but I want to only work with the let's say doors. Here I only have to work with the door. So now I have to isolate. So to isolate with all these used layer, I can simply use LAYISO, layer isolation, and press enter. Now I have to select object. So this is the object and press enter. So here you go. Now I'm going to only focus on the doors. The it's or the windows. The layer here is windows, and that makes it very easy. Now to restore layer from isolation, you simply have to use it LAYU NISO, and when you do that, all the layers are restored. So uh, in this use professional drawing where we have got a bunch of layers like this, and these two tools really come in handy. I have shown you an example for you. That's it for day 25. Layer states and layer isolation are essential tools for managing complex drawing efficiently. Practice today's assignment to master these professional training or techniques. Uh, Thank you.